Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you have an amazing day. To continue from my last unbox video, sharing my Hermes collection timeline with tips and tricks. So after getting a Pinkerton on sort of my first visit to the boutique back in October 2021, I got mixed up the date in my last video. Not 2020, but in October 2021. So I received another coveted bag offer within 2 months. So based on the look of this box that I showed to you in my last video, I hope you guessed it right. So let's review what bag it is together. Then I can share the story time with more tips and tricks. Yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It is a mini constant in the size 18 in black or noir, accent leather with rose gold hardware. And let me take off the felt to show you the inside. So the interior is lined with smooth, soft, swift leather, I believe. And it has 2 compartments. And in each compartment, it has a slit pocket. And you can tell, you know, the front compartment is slightly smaller than the back compartment. Hermes stamp that show you in a different angle. So it is quite a versatile bag where you can wear it in different ways. So if you double up the strap, you can wear it as shoulder bag. And if you shorten it, you can turn it this into a top handle using the tilly to wrap from this end to the other end. Or if you extend it all the way out, then you can wear it as a crossbody bag. It's quite versatile for both daytime and evening, though I use it more for evening because it is a small and compact bag, very light-weighted. Oh yeah, let's measure the bag together. So this is constant 18, should be 18 centimeter across. And it is perfectly 18 centimeter. Yay! So now, what is my pre-spend ratio for this bag? I came in for 2 silk scarf, couple flat cases. I will show you to you in a bit. in PM size and in GM size for me to use and for gift as well. On a different visit, I got a sandal, a cashmere scarf, and all together my pre-spending ratio is 0.53 to 1. What do you think of my pre-spending ratio so far? Let me know in the comment. So this is the flat case. I use this for travel, to hold travel document and passport. Work very well for me, each detail. Or sometimes I use it, as a clutch, just to hold room key, my phone, the Pro Max phone, and a couple of small items. Yeah, pretty handy. So before sharing more tips and tricks, I just want to put out a disclaimer. What I am about to share are my opinions from my experience along the way that I learned. By doing all this will not guarantee of anything. I want to share 2 points that I believe it will be helpful as you build, that kind of relationship with your SA. First one is trust. When you're able to establish that trust or that relationship with the SA, that your intention is to shop for yourself and not to resell for profit, then many great offers will come along your way. Actually, with this bag, I was offered the bag on the spot during my visit in the boutique. I didn't even request for it. So yes, I strongly believe that once you got that trust from your SA, many great things will come to your way. Second point, do not pressure or giving your SA an easy feeling. By whining or begging for back will not do any good to that relationship. Be patient and trust your SA. Just common sense. If you are in sale, you would want to make your client happy and taking care of your client in your best way so that you can earn their business again and again. With that same logic. So be patient and understandable, because after all, your SA need you as well to sell their product. That will be all for today, but I still have a lot more tips and tricks to share, so stay tuned. My next bag offer came 6 months later with an unexpected surprise. So let's play another guessing game to see if you're right again. We will review it together in my next video. Let me show you the box. The bag is in this box. Hint, it is a Holy Grail bag for someone, and my goodness, the color, it is exquisite. If you make it to this far, thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoy this, let me know by like, share, and subscribe. or if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, keep shining. Thank you so much.